Cosplay world. Today we're going to talk about adding white glue, PVA glue, school glue to our EVA foam works. It's very popular to add it as a hardener and make your work a bit more rigid. I'm not a huge fan of this because I have access to plastics such as Warbler and ABS and PVC sheeting, but if you do not have access to these fancy pants plastics, by all means this is a option for you to make sure your work is a bit more rigid. So the problem I have is that it's a harder material at the end of the day than EVA foam. Go figure! But what ends up happening is it eventually separates from the surface of the material, or it cracks depending on the thicknesses of the glue you add. So what I do is when I need a particular kind of rigidity, I add it to the back of the material where it's not going to be visible when it begins separating from the EVA foam, which is totally fine because I can fix the back or inside of a project, no problem. But when it starts pulling away from the surface or the facing, then it starts looking wonky, and it's a whole lot more work to fix. Also, it doesn't look great. So I would normally texture the front in whatever fashion I like, but if looking for rigidity, I put the PVA glue or the white glue on the back and add as many layers as necessary to make it the rigidity that I'm looking for. I hope this helps you. I hope you understand that kind of difference and why I choose to put it on the back rather than the front. And I hope this saves you some time refinishing your cosplay. Good luck, good times to all. Rah! If you're looking for cosplay tutorials, I might have a few hundred. Anyway, if that interests you, hit that sub button.